Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by prepping the battery and charger. Once done, verify the unit reads 12V and 0. 8A and set aside metal tools. You connect the red clamp to the positive terminal first, then the black clamp to chassis ground or negative terminal. This order reduces sparks. Make sure clamps are secure and not touching each other. Plug the charger into a grounded outlet and let the microcontroller perform its initial battery assessment. You'll hear status clicks and see the indicator light sequence. You monitor the LED indicators to understand the charger's state. Once connected, the unit runs an automatic multi-stage routine: initialization, bulk charge, absorption, then float, to protect battery chemistry. Make sure the float light indicates full charge before concluding. Interrupting mid-cycle reduces capacity. If the battery is deeply discharged, the charger may attempt a recovery stage and hold bulk longer. This is normal. You should keep the battery in a ventilated area and avoid high-current accessories while charging to let the algorithm accurately gauge charge. You complete the process by unplugging the charger from the wall before removing clamps. Disconnect the black clamp first, then the red to prevent sparks. Once removed, allow the battery to rest before starting the vehicle. Store the battery tender Junior 800 indoors, away from extreme heat or moisture, and inspect clamps and cord for wear. If you see an error LED, make sure clamps are clean and tight, check battery voltage with a meter, and replace any blown inline fuse before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.